Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez, a Dijon salmon recipe. Let's cook. Okay, so we got our Dijon mustard here in our bowl. Add some chopped parsley, some chopped garlic. Then add some lemon juice. We don't have any fresh lemon, so we just add some of this. Okay. And also some avocado oil. A little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. And mix this all up together. Okay, so we got our wild-caught coho salmon. Just put our sauce on here. This recipe is so simple, folks, so simple. Make sure you coat it all the way, because you want to make sure that the salmon doesn't dry out. Of course, it's going in the oven. That. I'm gonna bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 20 minutes. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Appreciate y'all all around the world who already subscribed. Look at that, folks. Look at that, look at that. Nothing but world famous foods, you know what I'm saying? Nothing but world famous foods. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Look at this, folks. So you can have the salmon by itself, but I decided to have it with some carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower. World famous foods, look at that. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute, let's do this. Just so you can see exactly what you're working with. See this? World famous foods.